Namaskara. Come, let's have a look at what all the things are there for us to learn in this class. My dear students, in the previous episode, we analyzed a paragraph to understand the articles better. Now there is another paragraph. Let's have a look at that paragraph and analyze that paragraph also, and let's try to see how the articles are used and what rule is applied here. One day a European visited the Taj Hotel. A European, though the European word has started with an E, we have used a there because the European pronunciation is U consonant. The Taj Hotel, with the names of the hotel we use the. He inquired the guard about the hotel. The guard, whoever guard was there in that hotel, that guard, already known person is already there. The hotel means that hotel, whatever hotel was there that Taj Hotel, already the name is mentioned here, Taj Hotel. When we are talking about the same hotel again, we use the hotel. He chatted with him about half an hour. The guard explained how the security in the hotel was tightened as an MLA of another state stayed in the hotel. The guard means that guard explained about how the security means the security in that hotel, that security. The hotel, already known thing it is, was titled as an MLA. Here the word is, this acronym is started with M, but we are pronouncing it as A, MLA. A is the first sound, that is why it is consonant, that is why we have used an MLA. But if there is a monkey, we say a monkey. That word has also started with M, but here MLA, A we say. Pronunciation is important, that is why we have used an here. Of another state stayed in the hotel. The hotel means already known hotel, this is. The manager, with occupations and designations we use the principal, the manager, the PM. We use with occupations and designations word the, that is why the manager saw the foreigner. The foreigners means that foreigner, already known person is, and invited him to the hotel. He invited him to that hotel, already known thing, that is why we have used the here. Now some more lines to practice. Here I have listed some lines, and let's look at those lines and let's try to understand our articles better by applying the concept to these lines. Maths is not an easy subject. An easy, here E, vowel, that is why an. Maths is a difficult subject. If it is difficult, we would have used a, because d is consonant sound. Which is the largest mountain in the world? The largest. Here this is superlative. The largest, the greatest, the biggest, the smallest. That rule is applied here. The world. World is only one. For those which are only one, we use the. The girl came out with an umbrella. The girl means we have already known about that girl. That is why the is used. An umbrella. Umbrella is the word umbrella is started with vowel sound. That is why an umbrella. Kamala was an untidy woman. An untidy, a vowel sound. He saw an owl last night. An owl. All is vowel sound, that is why an we have used here. January is the first month of year. The first. Why we have used the here? Because first is ordinal. With ordinal numbers we use the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the last. the next, the previous, like that. Krishna knows the way to the market. The way, already known thing it is. The market, that place is also already known. It is familiar, that is why it is used the. We have used there the. 1000 meters make a kilometer. Here a is used it as one. It suggests one. A kilometer means 1 kilometer. As usual, K is consonant sound, that is why we have used a. Aluminium is also used to prepare utensils. Do you find any articles in this sentence? No, because with material nouns we don't use any article. Aluminium is a material noun. Krishna chatted with an honorable man. Honorable man. H silent here. Though the word honorable has began with H consonant, we don't pronounce that. That remains silent. Honorable. We say. That is why and we have used here. The sky is blue. The sun is shining brightly. The sky, only one, and it is a natural thing. If the things which belong to nature and are only one, we use the there. The earth, the sun, the sky, like that. Here the sky, the sun, both words are natural and only one. Sharan visited his uncle's house a year ago. Here a is suggesting one year ago. Instead of saying 1 year ago, we have used a there. And as usual, year we pronounce, not in Indian. There are differences between Indian pronunciation, American pronunciation, British pronunciation. English is used differently in different countries. A year they say. If you take the example of British pronunciation and American pronunciation, they say year. They pronounce it as a consonant. That is why we have used a there. Sri Lanka is an island country. An I is oval. One also it is suggesting here. He took an hour to finish his homework. An hour, as usual, H is silent here. That is why the word starts with a vowel sound. That is why we have used an here. Hindi is not a difficult subject. A difficult. The word has started with consonant sound. That is why we have used a. As usual with languages, we don't use any articles. The Kannada, the Hindi, the English, a English, an English. We don't use like that. That will be wrong. The Krishna is a sacred river. English sir, he tells that we should not use articles with proper nouns. Here Krishna is proper noun. Why he has used the here? You might be feeling surprised. Why I have used, Here Krishna is name of a river. With the name of the rivers, we use the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Krishna, the Varada, like that. Is a sacred river. As usual, a is suggesting here one.